Hai, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Welcome to Bright Minds Academy Facebook Live. So again, today with Teacher Richa, we will be talking about forming nouns. Okay, for those who are taking SPM this year, come kindly join us our Facebook Live today. Call your friends, call your siblings, call everyone to join in. Yeah, so how are you guys? Good? Yes, just take care of yourself, okay? Alright, so today we'll be talking about forming nouns, which is, this is one of an interesting topic, okay, to talk about and to learn about. So teacher will share with you the uses and the formation of forming nouns, okay, and also we will try to do a simple exercise, okay, to see and to check whether you understand the topic well or not, okay. So let's just wait for a few minutes, okay. Call your friends, kindly share this Facebook Live, kindly share this Facebook Live to your friend, to everyone, okay. Yes, let's call everyone to join. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, so are you guys ready? So as usual, if you have any questions, okay, you just kindly share, you just kindly leave your comments, okay, leave your question, okay, below, and teacher will respond back to you. Alright, okay, so let's just wait for one more minute, then we may start, okay. So before we start, do you have any question to ask? Anything before we start? Yeah, just start with your comments, anything. Those who already joined in, say hi. You can send emojis. Yeah, say hi to Teacher Richa. Okay, alright, so let's begin our discussion, okay. So like teacher said just now, we will be talking about forming nouns, okay. So first, let's take a look at the uses of nouns, okay. Nouns, do you know it can be used as an adjectives, okay. It can be used as an adjectives. There are two, and also it can be used as the verbs, okay. It can be used as adjective and also can be used as verbs, okay. Alright, so let's go through one by one, okay. When do we use it as an adjective? When do we use it as an adjective? Students, do you have any idea? Leave your comments, anything you want to say, anything you want to ask, you just leave your comments, okay. Alright, so when do we use noun as an adjective, okay? It is when it, okay, precedes noun that is modified, okay. Alright, so okay, let teacher erase this. When it precedes noun, okay, precedes a noun, okay, that is modified. That is modified. Like what? Do you have any ideas? Okay, what are the examples? Okay, when it precedes a noun that is modified. For example, I give you, okay, number one. A mountain bike. Look at the first example. A mountain bike. Okay, when you look at this word, mountain, okay, the word mountain, okay, functions as what? What do you think? It functions as this is an adjective for the nouns, the word bike. So bike is the noun, okay. So the word mountain, okay, functions as an adjective that modify the noun of this word bike, okay. So this one, where is the adjective again? mountain. When you look at the example, a mountain bike. So we talk about the bike. Okay, so before the word bike, you see the word mountain. Okay, a mountain bike. So where is the adjective? Here. The word mountain is then adjective. Adjectives. Okay, so let's see. What do you try? What do you try? I give you the second example. All right. Let's see. Badminton match. Badminton match. Can you tell teacher which one is the adjective for this example? Which one is the adjective? Which one is the noun? Leave your comment. Which one is the noun? Which one is the adjective for this example? Why don't you try? Leave your comments. Kindly leave your comments. Try. Tell teacher. Yes, well done. So badminton functions as, yes, adjective. Okay, adjective, and match is the noun. Okay, noun. Okay, so another one. Very good. Good job. Okay, why don't we try another one? Sports hall. Can you tell teacher? So which one is the noun? Yes, definitely. Hall is the noun. Is a noun. Okay, and sport function as an adjective. Well done. Yes, easy, right? Yes, very good. Okay, how about next one? Okay, I give you mail box. Mailbox. So, do you have any idea? Yeah, surely you know, right? Which one is the noun? The box. Yes, box is a noun. Is a noun. Box. This is the noun, and this is the adjective that functions. Okay, modifying the nouns of box. Okay. A mountain bike function as an adjective, modifying the word, the noun of bike. Okay. Badminton, modifying the word match. Okay. This is the noun. Okay. And sports hall. So which one is the noun? Hall. So which word? So this word act as an adjective to modify. Okay. To modify the noun. Same goes to this one. Mailbox. Okay. It modifies the function to modify the word box. Okay. Box is the noun. Okay. Very good. Okay. So far so good, right? Can understand? Yeah. So now we have learned two uses of nouns. Okay. It can be used as an adjective, and also it can be used as the verbs. Okay. As verbs. Okay. So now let's take a look at the second one. Okay, we are done with the first one. It used as an adjective. Okay, now the second one, used as verbs. Okay, used as verb when it perform action or activity. When it perform action or activity. Okay, let me show you the example. Okay, let's see. Color the picture. Color the picture. So as you can see here, the word color. Okay, the word color. Okay, function as what? The word color functions as the verb. Is it? Yes, it functions as the verb. Okay, as the verb for describing, the action. Is the action of what? Action of coloring. Okay, you said color the picture. So where is the verb? Here. Okay, it functions as the verb that describe the action of coloring. Okay, let teacher write it here. So it describe, okay, the activity of coloring. This is the verb, like you said just now, and it functions, like teacher said just now, it functions, okay, as the what? As the verb that describe the action of coloring. The action of coloring. Very good. One more. I give you one more. This one you try, okay, students? I want you to try. Okay. Head, okay. Task force. Head a task force. Okay. So this one, the word head here function as what? The word head here function as what? Who knows? You can leave your comments. Kindly leave your comments. You have to try to think. Okay. Follow the same example that teacher gave just now for the first one and the second one. Head a task force means what? So the word head, it shows that the action of leading a task force, right? The action of leading the task force. Okay, very good. So we have done with this two. Okay, the uses as an adjective and also verbs.